In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the right notation when working with parameters and statistics. And the main distinction that you have to be able to make is between the population and sample. So anything that you measure about the population is called parameter. Anything you measure about the sample is called statistic. There are a couple widely used measures that you have to know the differences in notation. And one of them is, for example, this is as simple as it gets, is size. So if you measure the size of the population, we tend to use capital N. If you use the sample and measure its size, we tend to use lowercase n. Also, when you're measuring mean, which is one of the measures of central tendency, the mean of the population is mu, the mean of the sample is x bar. Later, we'll learn other measures, which will also have different notations, but in this problem, you only need to know the differences between the population mean and the sample mean. So let's take a look at the problem on the left, and the key word here is we looked at the sample of sites, and it's a sample, therefore anything you measure from this sample will be a statistic. Size will be n, lowercase n, and mean will be x bar. Let's try another one. This is another sample, size is lowercase n, mean is lowercase x bar. Let's try another one. This is another sample, and this is how we know we don't have a sample, we have the population, because it says all sites. So these are all sites, so the size is capital N, and the mean will be Greek letter mu. And same over here, size is capital N, and mean is Greek letter mu. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try a similar question, look for the link to this problem in the description of the video.